sweet goddamn lord. Right, here we are on the second fucking video of the day. Is it second? Might be the third. Can't remember. Don't fucking matter anyway. Hit the fucking like button, subscribe, send a fucking comment, ding the bell. Yeah, alright. Okay. Fucking Jesus Christ. Right, here's the second truck. Andre. Yeah. Somebody's got one on eBay. Somebody's selling one on fucking eBay. Exactly the same. They've got it down as, my God. Why? They've got it down as a A26 86 1-43 IXO truck DAF 260 Andre MIB. You can buy it now for £31.57 plus £18.71 fucking postage. What's that? That's 40. That's like 50 fucking quid, right? I paid 50 fucking euro for them, right? For 8 of them. So yeah, happy days. So I'll probably slap this on for. So that guy's got it on for 31 plus 18 postage. Yeah, I don't know, 25 quid or something. Right, I want him to go like. So let's have a fucking look. See if it's damaged. Right, can you see? Okay. So box is a bit damaged. Look, this video is so that people can fucking have a look from eBay and Vinted and other places. So let's have a look. Box is not bad, a little bit damaged. Okie dokie, there we go, one fucking box. Right then. Oh, there's something in there. What's that? A bit of fucking cheese or something. What? No, it's paper. Might be from Napoleon. I got these in fucking France, by the way. From a dodgy old antique dealer. Definitely fucking dodgy. I don't know, like a dirty old man or something. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I said, ooh. Right then. That looks pretty good. Yeah, all runs good. So we'll look with the glasses. Right, not seeing any damage. It's fucking mint condition. It's got the mirrors are on there. Yeah. One of the mirrors is a little bit bent, but it's like floppy plastic. It's okay. It's fucking fandabidozy. Right, I do not see any damage. And again, this guy's got it done as 1967, I think. So, DAF, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah, it's in fucking mint condition, brand new. Right then. Okay, there we fucking go, Joe. That's it. Right, so you might as well hang around for a minute while I put it back in the rocks. So I seem to be having difficulty finding the way it goes in. I had to get a child to put it in the last time. Right, let's not break the fucking mirrors. Good, yeah, okay. There we go. Oh. Alright then. Okay then. There we go, is it? What? What? Yeah? Hello? Okie dokie, right then. For fuck's sake. So this is the another video. What? So there you go. There we go. A little damage, ripped box. But apart from that, it's in fucking fandabidozy condition. And somebody's, I'm gonna fucking repeat myself. Somebody's selling one for 50 fucking quid, including postage. So mint condition. Yeah. Alright. I'm trying to think how much to put it on for. 25 quid. Right, 25 quid plus postage. Okay, right then. Lava. A big flow of lava coming out of La Palma all the way to Israel and burning the dirty scumbags here, torturing men, women, and children. Right on. eBay video, Vinted video, fucking Gumtree, done deal, don't fucking care. Give yourself a love and a fucking hug. Break the system that you have received as an innocent child, not to love yourself and accept yourself. Yeah, and I don't know. Yeah, might as well. 'Tis Sunday, so if you go to church, take a big machete and carve your name on the back of the pew. For example, Jesus fucking Christ. Right. How long is this one? Six minutes, maybe? 6 minutes. Hey, fucking hell, my eyes are getting better. It is 6 minutes. Right then, okay then, that's the fucking next one. Let's slap another one. So I'm going to slap this on eBay and everybody else, and then put a link in for this fucking video. Right then, hit the like button, share the fucking video, send a fucking comment, ding the bell, hit the dislike button. Yeah, why not? Right, fucking Jesus Christ, Shamahaka, Waka, fucking Hannah.